So does it cost money for the fridge to open? Answer is no. They open it for anyone. However, if you request an opening and you do not need it, you can actually fit under that fridge without it being open. Alright, we're coming into stop number 6, that's Pier 66. Oh, the Hyatt. The Hyatt was built by John Phillips. John Phillips was an oil driller. Drilled 65 holes in the ground, came up dry. On his 66th, he found a gusher, still producing oil today, in fact. Mr. Phillips got a little obsessed with the number 66 after that. Named his company Phillips Petroleum 66. Built that Hyatt at 6 sides, 66 windows on each side, 366 rooms. The restaurant on the top revolves once every 66 minutes. Elevator goes from the bottom floor to the top floor in 66 seconds. At the top there's 66 spikes at a 66-degree angle. Mr. Phillips, bless his heart, he died in 1966. Anyone guess how old he was? 72.
Thank you again.